Welcome to the first installment of the Benchtop Reviews. The purpose of these is to review a product in under 3 minutes. No fluff, just getting down to the nitty-gritty of how it performs, what we like, and what we don't like. So without further ado, let's jump into the first review, the Tenba Tool Bags. I've been using the Tenba Tool Bags for the past few months, and they are great for storing and organizing smaller gear items in your office or on the go for a shoot. They come in 3 models, the Toolbox 4, Toolbox 6, and Toolbox 8. I use the Toolbox 4 for things like my bare bones GoPro setup. A couple GoPros, a few mounts, batteries, and a charger all fit perfectly. Toolbox 6 is a great size for things like audio gear or even a mirrorless camera and a few compact lenses. Toolbox 8 is the biggest one in their lineup and obviously can fit more items depending on your needs. I've recently made the 8 my permanent storage for my Rhino Slider motion control kit. So here's what I like. First off, I love that they have clear lids. I can quickly take a look and see what's inside without having to open them up and dig around. The lid itself is super thick TPU plastic and the overall construction is solid. They're sturdy and they keep things organized considering it's not a fully rigid case, and comes with enough padding along the outside and the back to help protect gear. And lastly, I love that they are low volume and small enough that I can fit them in Pelican cases, my camera bag, backpack, wherever. And here's what I don't like. They're slightly more expensive than what else you could find out there on the internet, but I feel like they'll last a while, and I won't be replacing these anytime soon, so not a huge negative. And even though there is some padding, I wouldn't feel super confident in putting fragile gear inside of these unless the whole case was placed in something more protective, like a Pelican. And last, I wish there were some different size dividers in each case. The long divider pieces are fine, but I wish they included a few dividers that were a little longer than these smallest pieces. Other than that, I'm really happy with the toolbox cases. I've found so many uses for them, and I think you will too. If you like the toolbox cases, check out the Tenba Cable Duo 8. Similar design idea, but clear lids on both sides, and an awesome solution for organizing various cables and gear at the same time. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you like this video.